You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is t equals -12. Let's solve it step by step. Group all t terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract t from both sides. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the t. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3 over -1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is t equals -12.